Hello guys, good evening. Before we start, actually, it's a Father's Day tomorrow. This drink is gonna be a Father's Day special. This kind of really special actually because we try to be healthy all the time. So I try to use the Moringa or the Calamansi actually. This Calamansi, this is our language though. But this really healthy. And then I got the Moringa flower and the Moringa leaves actually. That's what people saying is like this is kind of a superfoods, not the same as the avocado or those kind of things. The superfoods. So I try to use this one, and I try to use the processor also of my grandson. This is food processor actually. So I just like steam it. This is how you do it actually, the Moringa. So to just remove the stem, and you need just the leaves, see. So this is the Moringa flower also. Understand this? Before? Never. So this kind of unique drinks actually, because this Moringa Martini or Calamansi Martini, either way. So that's our language is Calamansi, and in English I think it's Moringa. So this is how you do it. This is the main ingredients actually. I have already steamed, so I have to process. It's like this is like steamer and blender, so you can just blend it right away. So it's already done. And then I got the, of course, sun-dried lemon, and then I got the like Honey-Calamansi. I got the Ciroc vodka, P. Diddy's vodka, so Ciroc, and then the Blue Curacao. So of course you need a shaker, and then strainer, and then a jigger. I need to double strain, so I need another strainer. So I don't have the little one, so I have a little bit more bigger, but it's good. There we go. So this is the this is already steam, So because if I do it together and like remove from the steam and everything, so it take time. So you do the mise en place. So this is already steam. This with the flour inside also. So see, with the flour is already steam. This everything is eatable, all right? So don't worry. If you're not steaming this and just doing the blender right away without cooking, it's kind of bitter taste. So, but it's really good for health, So this is your Moringa Martini. This is how we do it. It's Saturday night, not Friday night. Remember the song? See, they're steaming, still steaming, so hot. I just add a little bit drop of the Honey-Calamansi. So this process is really helpful. This for my grandson doing the steam of the broccoli and carrots and potato, and now I'm using it for my mixology. There we go, that's done. That's it. See? Smells good. So that's your Moringa. Really healthy. Alright, so I need my glass and my ice. By the way, my glass super chilled. It's in the freezer. As always, especially martini. If you do the martini or beer or wine, just keep it in the chiller or freezer. and then you have a nice presentation of the drinks. That's the trick. So by the way, this Moringa, about a handful of Moringa, so just in case. It's green, right? And then a jigger of the Ciroc. About 15 ml of the Blue Curacao. And then a jigger of the Honey-Calamansi. Exactly a jigger. It's my tongue. Again, about a scoop of ice. Now, people actually sometimes like the ones like really strong in the drinks. You can do it, and make sure that you have a taste of everything still, like the vodka, the Moringa, the flavor, it means balance the taste of everything. So that's how you do it. So let me add like another half jigger, so 1.5 jigger of the Ciroc vodka, so that you guys gonna love it. So imagine this like really healthy, people nowadays like they're looking for healthy drinks and everything, like it's gluten free. I try to make healthy drinks. Shake it. So this is your Moringa martini, and once you shake it, shake like you're dancing like salsa. So that's fun. So strain. I have to double strain also because of the Moringa leaves. It's green, right? That's how you do it. So this is a Moringa double strain martini. It's just looking nice, looking good and perfect. And then never forget the garnish. So this is like sun-dried lemon and the Moringa flower on top. And then the Moringa leaves also. There we go. Cheers, guys. Happy Father's Day anyway. Before you forget and we end this session actually tonight, please again Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and then please share my Facebook page, and then I got the Instagram also. And thank you so much, and happy Father's Day for everybody. And to my father also, he's my hero and he's the best. And thank you.